Welcome to iClean 2024, Australia's leading healthcare cleaning and infection control conference.
Hi, my name is Ruth Carrico. I look forward to spending time with you in Australia thinking about and really redefining our approach in environmental infection control. We're going to be challenging the way that we have all thought. We're going to be trying to structure this in ways so that we can pull out some ideas and thoughts and wisdom and experiences from you, because our goal together is that we work to figure out what is going to be our next new approach as we determine what are our next strategies post-pandemic. What did we learn from this, and how are we going to reshape and redefine the future of environmental infection control? See you in Australia soon.
March 2024. Mark your calendars and register your team. Register online now and be part of the movement to create healthier, safer environments of care for everyone.